Padmaja Penmetsa Joy Brenner has launched her first book, Butterfly on the Banyan Tree. The book has been translated into Telugu too, titled Vatavrukshamodilo Vennela Sita Koka Chiluka. And this book was launched by Uma Chigurupati, Fiki Flow chairperson, along with Vanita Datla, vice chairperson and MD of Elico Limited, unveiled at Taj Krishna, Banjara Hills.
సో క్యాటర్పిల్లర్ అని నేను అన్నాను. మీ లైఫ్లో ఐఎమ్ షూర్ ఈవెన్ యూ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ at a stage where there were so many dreams, so many aspirations and everything. మన లైఫ్లో ఒకటి అనుకుని స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం, బట్ లైఫ్ అనేది అనుకోకుండా వేరే వేరే మలుపులు తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. అలా తిరిగినప్పుడు హౌ డిడ్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్? Yes, maybe.
And very proud of Padmaja, what she has done. These kind of books, especially in India, it's very rare, these kind of metaphors. When I had gone through the first few pages itself, I thought, this is wonderful. And I read the Telugu version also. So,
thank you.
So today I'll, give my, my ideas are comparatively, comparisons with my life journey, both in English and also in Telugu, because the book is in both languages.
Vanita garu, your take on this?
So first of all, thank you. The moment you gave me the book, I also went through it.
I think within half an hour you messaged me.
Yes. So it was very wonderfully and poetically written, which I really appreciated it.
So this is my first book. I never thought that I will actually be writing a book. It's just that I started putting down my own thoughts because I think life is taught so much, and there's so much that we can actually live. And when I wanted everybody else to actually see life in its right form, ante మనం అనుకునేది ఒక జీవితం ఉంటే, but there is a life which is unexpectedly, that happens. So basically life is not obligated to give us what we want, but if we can take what life gives us and turn it around, I think we can actually start living a life where it all readjusts to ourselves. It is from my life. It's definitely from my life. If you actually know my journey, I have been a caterpillar, and today I think I've been a butterfly. In fact, somebody just said, I am a mindset coach. I help people in kind of peeling off the layers of their own perception to actually understand their true self. And when somebody can do that, they can actually see life as it is. Because life is not what we think, but life is something which is factually there. So if we can understand how to look at it and how to work around it, I think that's a life lived. I think yes, because I see lots of people. So even in the book, if you see, there are different kinds of characters which come in, and all these are. This is nothing but a book written as an analogy in terms of life. So I'm sure everybody, more than information. In fact, the review that I get is, more than information, I think this book is an experience. So I wish you pick up this book and actually experience it for yourself. It depends on what you want to write in the book. So it's not about the time limit or something. It's just about what is the point that you want to write. Now, if you want to write a book, why is it that you want to write a book? I think that's when your purpose is defined. I think that's what makes a clarity. Thank you so much.